Is Elon Musk out to mock other AIs? It has been his attempt to destroy his rivals through various lawsuits and statements, even with his AI company, xAI's Grok 1.5. However, with this latest announcement of Grok 2 and its capabilities on X, other chatbots are gonna like a joke, and here's why. Central to this excitement is the connection between Grok 2 and the previously mysterious AI model known as sus_column_r. But what is sus_column_r? It was an alias used during the early testing phase of Grok 2 on the LMSYS chatbot arena, a platform that benchmarks and compares AI models. Many in the AI community were unsure if sus_column_r was associated with existing major AI models like those from Google or even OpenAI's Strawberry model. It has now been confirmed that the model was developed by X, a much smaller team operating without the vast resources of giants like Meta, Google, or OpenAI. However, many AI fans were caught off guard by this news, especially considering the fact that sus_column_r had been grouped with OpenAI chatbots on the chatbot arena leaderboard. This alias was part of a strategy by xAI to test Grok 2 anonymously in a competitive environment before its official release. The results from these tests showed that sus_column_r, Grok 2, not only held its own, but also outperformed some of the leading AI models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4 Turbo on various benchmarks. Elon Musk himself seemed to revel in the moment of unveiling, as evidenced by a tweet he posted that simply read, "RRRR sus." This has gained over 66 million views on X. Can't blame him for the excitement though, considering how much expectations this has defied. Now, wouldn't you want to see the benchmark results? Take a look at this. It has shown consistent improvement over its predecessors, Grok 1.5 and Grok 2 Mini. If we look closer on tasks like MMLU, Human Eval, and Dog VQA, Grok 2 exhibits strong performance, closely matching or exceeding results from other advanced models like GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus, and Llama 3 405B. For instance, in the MMLU benchmark, Grok 2 scores 87.5%, surpassing its earlier versions and remaining competitive with top performers like Claude and Llama 3 405B. Similarly, Grok 2 excels in the Human Eval coding benchmark with an 88.4% accuracy, underscoring its strength in specialized tasks, even as it closely follows leading models such as Claude and Llama 3 405B. Did you notice this? Grok 2's performance in the mathematical and document-based question answering benchmarks like Math and Doc VQA is particularly noteworthy. It achieves 76.1 in Math, significantly outpacing Grok 1.5 and Grok 2 Mini, and nearly matching Claude's leading score. In Doc VQA, Grok 2 reaches 93.6%, positioning it as a strong contender against leading models. So, how did it achieve this? This would be thanks to 5 of its key features. Unlike other AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, Grok 2 pulls live data directly from X, formerly Twitter, allowing it to respond to ongoing events and trends. This makes it so streamlined, enabling Grok 2 to provide up-to-date information in conversations. This makes real-time data integration its first highlight. Want to see something funny? Yep, that's Mickey Mouse with a cigarette and a Make America Great Again hat. If you thought this was funny, look at these. These are all sourced from user outputs from Grok 2 for their varied inputs, probably done to look at what Grok 2 lacks. From what you've seen, you must have realized that Grok 2 is better at image generation than any other AI models out there, especially considering the fact that there's no limit to the input zones it can touch. This is using the Flux 1 model, which is seamlessly integrated into the X platform, allowing users to create and share visuals directly. This chaotic rollout did make some users question the potential misuse of AI. Funny enough, Musk finds it amusing, and he says that Grok 2 allows people to have some fun. Similar to the previous version, Grok 2 offers two interaction styles, Fun Mode and Regular Mode. By default, when operated in Fun Mode, it adopting a more edgy or humorous personality, like we saw with the previous picks. Now, Regular Mode typically delivers more accurate answers, especially with X's data integration. Grok 2 also excels in tasks requiring complex reasoning and problem solving, as evident by its strong performance on benchmarks like Math and Human Evolve. Users can guide Grok 2's responses more effectively, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from coding assistance to creative writing. This makes durability and versatility another highlighting feature. Is understanding memes really hard sometimes? Grok 2 will take care of that for you. And this is another coding assistance advertised by xAI on Grok 2. Thus far, we know that the biggest flex Grok 2 holds over other AI models is its humorous and unfiltered tone. The responses are clearly more candid and less politically correct. This, as we saw earlier, is a controversial issue. You see, despite Grok 2's claimed guardrails, such as avoiding content that is pornographic, excessively violent, or hateful, users have found ways to bypass these restrictions, leading to these funny yet graphic images. And in the Barack Obama stabbing Joe Biden with the knife pic, you can see that the placing of the knife indicates that violence is something it is still off on. This is currently good, but it advances. It could be a problem. However, you should know that Grok isn't the sole method for generating violent, sexual, or misleading AI images. Open source tools like Stable Diffusion can be modified to create a vast array of content with minimal restrictions. However, it's uncommon for an online chatbot from a major tech firm to take this approach. Google, for instance, completely suspended Gemini's image generation features after an awkward misstep in trying to address race and gender biases. Grok's relaxed approach to content generation aligns with Elon Musk's well-known disregard for conventional AI and social media safety standards. However, this carefree attitude couldn't have arrived at a better sensitive time. Well, not for Elon though. The European Commission is currently investigating X for potential breaches of the Digital Safety Act. Can Grok 3 damage GPT-5? Let's discuss this in the comments. For all content AI, keep subscribed, and we'll catch you in the next one.